Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button and hold them together. Keep holding. And once you feel the vibration, you can release the button, both buttons, and wait till your phone is rebooted. It may take up to 1-2 minutes. Now just tap on reboot. Actually, you need to use volume to select. So use up and down to select, and then power button to confirm. So now just tap on power button and click on reboot to system and wait till it's done. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your phone and use it in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.